Where is there a horizontal tangent line? Well, horizontal lines have a zero slope. Since g prime is the slope of the curve, we'll set it equal to 0 and solve for x. Then we'll know where there's a horizontal tangent. So what is g prime of x? We'll use the power rule and the chain rule. 3 times the inside function to the second power multiplied by the derivative of the inside function. Set that equal to 0. And you remember the zero product property. If you have a product of factors and the product is 0, any one of these factors might be 0, but there has to be one of them that's 0. Either A is 0, or B is 0, or C has to be 0 for the product to be 0. So either 3 is equal to 0, it's not, or something squared is equal to 0. That's only true if that something inside is 0, and that's never equal to 0, so it's not. So our only option is when 4x is equal to 0, which means the slope of this graph is 0, which means it's horizontal when x is 0. And therefore, our answer is going to be the point where there's a horizontal tangent line is when x is 0, and the y value is g of 0, which is 1.